Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix the Vuse pod not hitting. Okay, the first thing you need to do is actually check the battery. Okay, make sure you check that and it's working, right? Make sure it's fully charged before your first use. You need to also check for e-liquid as well. Okay, and if the connection, make sure it is clean, right? If it's not clean, that also creates issues. I want you to also inspect for any clogs, right? And if there's any leaks, check if there's any leaks. And you can also go ahead and reset the device, right? And this is when to change your pod. If there's little or no vapor production, go ahead and do that. And if your pod stops producing vapor and the pod is not yet empty, you can check device, make sure it's fully charged. Usually it causes a lot of the main issues, right? When it's not fully charged. And you can see the charging level indicators here as well. So that should fix your issue. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.